Hello friends, now next point is coming, meaning of employment, discuss its concept, give examples and discuss its characteristics. So here the second point of the topic is understand about employment, right? So some things are very important to understand. The business was to give something and to get money. Profession is associated with to provide service, and employment is completely different, totally bond or connected with other person, such kind of economic activity, right my friends? So understand one thing, that employment is also called job. Do something on the order of others, right? In expectation of economic return. Let's continue about its meaning. Employment is called job, an economic activity performed in return for a fixed salary in specific time, where work is assigned as per the contract. See, contract means just being agreed by both the sides that we will do this, you pay this. Just this kind of the agreement is also called contract, right? Remember this thing. Okay. As about profession we understood, let us here divide the parts of definition. Economic activity, it is. Why it is economic activity? Because in return something is surely decided, so it is given to them. So it is economic activity because return is there. Next, the return is fixed salary on specific interval at every specific time of days. Means here it is sure that after completing their work they will get this amount. So they are not confused about their work. Remember this thing. They have surety that on this day they will get some specific amount for doing the specific work for the specific days. So remember one thing, here that is fixed salary is the return and the work is given to them as per the agreeing from both the side or the contract. So it is very clear that every economic activity has their return in different way. See, we have already understood about business. What is its return? Profit or loss. For the profession, what is its return? Fees. And for the employment, what is the return? Salary. Right? So every economic activity has a different return also, and this different return makes a big difference in status of every activity, right? Okay, here we just give one example. A person is working in the office for every month at specific time. He is asking to his owner or the employee that what will you give me? The employer is agreed to give specific amount at the every month on specific date. So here you understand the example. The work is decided, the return is decided, whatever be they earn is decided, whatever the order is given is also decided, and they will get a return on specific date every month is also decided. So there is completely different activity from business and profession is employment. Obey the order of the superior is the essential part of the concept of employment, which is also known as job. So it is sure that every definition identify its main characters, right? So here the characteristics are also important to understand, right, my friends? Okay. The first characteristic is fixed salary. See, we have already just discussed that the employment is given or rendering the work as per the order given to them on surety of return every month on specific date in specific form. So it is called salary because the surety about the return, surety about the month, surety about the time. So it is called fixed salary. Fixed salary is paid at a fixed interval. Every month on the 5th date, every month on the 7th date, every month on the 10th or 11th date. These are the specific days every month, which shows at the interval of specific time they will get the money. So, and the last point of the line, fixed interval for their mental or physical or both kind of. So remember one thing, there is a surety about the work, there is a surety about the return, so nothing is uncertain. Is that clear? Okay. Next one is additional benefits. See, house rent allowance, medical allowance, leave travel concession. These are the additional financial benefit or the monetary benefit or the economic benefit from side of owners to the employees. It is given regularly on the interval of specific days, right? So remember one thing clear, that the surety of the salary is there. Again I say, thereafter the additional benefits are also available to give them. Okay, next point is assigned work. See, the professional is doing whatever the client is asking for from them. The businessman is getting specific or uncertain profit. So same way, here the work is earlier decided to deliver as per the contract between employee and employer. So it is sure that the discipline is needed on every activity. Okay, next point is qualification. See, qualification means degree. If you are giving a return, then what could be the return? You think about salary, monthly cash is fill up in the cover and the cover is given to the person. So for the work, assigned work, he is getting money. But on the other side, he is bound to show his skill, training and the certificates. So the owner should be sure that his appointed person is completely ready and capable to reply in proper manner. Right, my friends? So understand one thing. The qualification is needed. Okay. Second one is the working hour is also sure for which they have to do the work. Every specific hours they will stop their work. It is called their 8 hours work slot. But after the slot, if the enterprise is needed the work from the same person, they can ask for overtime, the additional money more than the physical return. So in that way, the working hours are fixed, qualification is sure, on which date their working days of the whole employing years is earlier decided. As per the laws in every country, it is decided. So retirement benefits are also available for these people. So everything is decided in case of the employment. Predetermined salary, predetermined working hours, predetermined retirement benefits. Everything is earlier decided, and the person is agree. If anyone is ready on specific conditions, then he will start employment. So it is called. Next point is dependent activity. See, the employees how much skilled is not important, but if the enterprise exists, the employer's existence is there, so the employee's existence is also associated with there. That the company exists, the employment is also exists. Right, my friends? Then I discuss the next point is rules to be followed. See, the employee and employer both are agreed to accept as the superior and subordinate with each other. So in that situation, both are bound to follow some specific rules as the requirement. So here you understand one thing, that their work is done as per the rules decided by the association. Next point, no capital investment. As per the knowledge and the skill and the training, the person is ready to get some specific support, but ultimately they want to do the work as much as better, but no capital investment they are doing. As I am giving teaching on the online study, it does not mean that I am going to charge, because in these days nobody is charging to the others. But it is sure that when you start any business, you need some investment of the money, and it is possible to get from good opportunities. So in that way, these are 7 characteristics which I have discussed about meaning of employment. Is that clear, my friends? Okay.